So surprisingly, Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy Ring at MWC 2024. This is the smallest form of wearable device from Samsung, built for comfortable 24/7 wear as an all-new way to simplify everyday wellness. After introducing foldable phones, Samsung is now starting a new revolutionary trend of wearing smart rings. And the surprising part is that Samsung is launching the Galaxy Ring later this year. It is designed to work with the new health app from Samsung called My Vitality Score from the Galaxy S24 series as well as other Samsung wearable devices. The Galaxy Ring comes in three colors: silver, black and gold. All three have a sleek, polished finish almost like a mirror on the silver and gold models. Each will be available in total of 9 sizes categorized as small, medium, large and extra large. When the Galaxy Ring goes on sale, Samsung will likely relate these sizes to traditional ring sizing. Samsung has said that the size range will be from 5 to 13. The hardware looks like a normal ring from the outside, but inside is where you can see the smarts. The Galaxy Ring will be introduced as a new health form factor, the company revealed. It will be connected to the Samsung Health platform, which is being modified as per early reports. The Galaxy Ring wearable is expected to feature a 24/7 heart rate monitoring, a SpO2 blood oxygen sensor, a sleep monitoring tracker and other fitness tracking capabilities. It may also get a blood pressure monitoring feature. Not much has been disclosed about this Galaxy Ring. I hope we will see more information coming out in the future. Additionally, Samsung announces that Galaxy AI will be a major focus during the showcase. The company had previously stated that AI features would be expanded to its existing smartphones such as the Galaxy S23, Tab S9 series, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 and Galaxy S23 FE. However, it has now been revealed that the AI suite will also be extended to other product lines. The Galaxy Book 4 series and the Galaxy Watch 6 series will both receive Galaxy AI features, although in a more customized version. So what do you think about this new Galaxy Ring? Would you consider it as a new wearable smart device? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.